leaky master out. New master going in.
And leaky master.
Oh, God. Scotty. Jesus Christ. I had that zoomed in. Scotty. Pump
Working
it.
on my leg muscles today.
Are you pumping it gently?
Oh, yes, I'm pumping it. I'm pumping it. I'm pumping it well.
Woo! There we go. All right. We're about bench bled because that was all the way down. Now we're just shooting fluid. So you're good. Okay. Hold her down. And I'm going to swap our fitting real quick. So please hold.
Holding.
All done. Okay, so fired it up just because I wanted to see how the pedal was. And I smelled fuel and I saw something, so I turned it off. So I had Scotty pull the air cleaner. He's going to hit it. Whoa, whoa. Hit it again.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's get it to run. I think it's down here where the line goes. I can see where it's wet. Yeah. The fuel line from the bottom of the filter down to the pump is splitting.
Hose itself?
Yeah, so we just need to grab those channel locks. Let's just pull those clippies real quick.
Okay.
And we'll just put a piece of hose on it. That's why your old master was leaking. Yeesh. Scotty, you're a hero because you ran over it and got a piece of hose. Scotty got hose, ladies and gentlemen.
And multiple area codes.
Area codes. Area codes. Hose, hose, hose. There you go. A screwdriver.
A regular
Flathead.
flathead or 5/16.
I think that's quarter or 6 mil. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Day. Oh. Try the 6. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Probably wrong.
Wrong.
Bigger?
8 5/16.
You like 8. There you go. It's 8, fool.
And it's wrong.
So what is it? 7?
7 maybe?
Good God.
Bet you I know what it's gonna be.
If I have to bend over one more time, I guess I'm gonna have to be your wife.
Yes, you will.
Oh, Jesus. Is it 7?
Yep.
Don't make those noises. You okay?
Yeah.
You want me to get it? Where's the quarter ratchet? I'll go get the quarter ratchet. All right, so I already texted Stephen, by the way, let him know.
Okay.
Let him know crisis averted.